Hi guys, say hi guys. Hi guys, sabi mo ah.
Hi guys,
Please
please
follow
follow
me.
me.
Lucas,
Guys,
Jed,
that
Vlog.
yeah,
So, magsusulat ako ng straight.
toilet safe.
So, connect mo yung blue to blue. Dapat hanggang dun lang. When? Oh, yan. Very good. This one is straight. Oh, very good. Kasi pa ano yung straight? Tingin dun, hindi dyan sa camera. Okay. Oh. Oh, magsulat na ni. Tingnan mo dun, oh. Straight. Yan. Ano to?
Safe.
Straight. This one is straight. Oh. Paano? Ikaw na magsulat. Straight. At bigyan to kita ng egg. Bili to tayo ng egg.
Big egg.
Yes, big egg. Oh, straight na. O, paano yung straight doon? Kahaba naman. Hanggang doon lang. Oh, straight. Paano? Ganito. Ay, isa. Hindi na kita love. Straight. This one is straight. Tingin doon. Tingin dito. Oh, tingin dito sa ano. Oh. Hindi na kita love. Nagsusulat. Si Princess ng love ko. Si Princess. Ang galing-galing magsulat. Sige na.
Is that?
Oo, ikaw lang kasi straight. Ay. Oh, straight. Straight. Ito. Straight.
Ayer.
Yeah, this one is straight.
Ayer.
Oo.
Ihar.
Oo, straight.
Ihar.
And then, straight. Ikaw na. Dapat straight. Ito, connect mo yung dot. Yung dot tapos ganan mo, ganun. Connect mo yung dot, ganon. Okay O, sige O, connect mo. Pag na-connect mo, bigyan kita ng star. I'll give you one star pag na-connect mo. Okay? Connect the dot and make it a straight line. Okay, o, ikaw na. Hindi ganyan ang paghawak anak ko. Ganyan. O, straight. Dito, doon yung dot. Ayun yung dot, oh. Ito yung dot. O, sige. Yan, oops. O, straight. Okay. Okay, sige pa O, sige, connect mo. O, sige. Sige pa meron pa, oh. Connect mo pa. Hindi ganyan ang paghawak. Hindi ganyan.
Ayaw, papa.